Hey everyone, if you haven't noticed, it's spring outside. Yay! We've been waiting this day for a long time, and what a beautiful day it was today. So we know with springtime always comes cleansing. So whether it's cleaning out our house, whether it's cleaning out our flower beds and our gardens so the new can come in, it's time to do the same thing with your body. When was the last time you've cleansed out the old and got ready for a new healthy you? It's time to do that now. So if you have been looking for a new way to boost your health, a detox could be the perfect example to get your health back on track. I know we've all probably have built up a lot of toxins from the holidays, from just extra wear and tear in our bodies. And we know when springtime is, we want to feel young. We want to feel invigorated. We want to go out and take advantage of all this great weather. Now's the time to do it with our spring detox. We are actually hosting a very special class in our office. We're going to be teaching you the right ways to do a detox and kind of avoid a lot of the pitfalls that people run into. So we can see back behind me, we have things set up for our detox, ready to go. We just need participants. We need you to jump on board and say, this is going to be the year it's going to change, and I'm going to make a difference. I can't tell you the testimony after testimony of people saying they feel 10, 15 years younger. Their joint pain gets better. They have more energy, clarity of thought. They sleep better. Digestive system all improves just when they do a detox. So if it's something you want to be part of, definitely sign up for a class. We'd love to have you. You can bring guests. It's always good to do a detox together with a friend. And I guarantee you it's not going to take away from your life. It's not going to keep you in the bathroom. It's not going to make you feel miserable doing it. We're going to make it healthy. We're going to make it well for you. It's something that's sustainable that you can get back to track and being healthy. So look forward to seeing you at our detox class. Can't wait to get to that next level of health for you.